So, you want to be an affiliate. It looks easy enough, right? Seems like all you have to do is pick a product to promote, find an eager group of buyers, slap up a banner ad, and you're in business. Not really. Everything I just said about affiliate marketing is completely wrong. For starters, you don't pick a product first. Instead, you start by picking a niche. Basically, you're going to find the money stream first and then put yourself in front of it. Secondly, slapping banner ads up isn't going to get you anywhere. Yeah, you might get a few clicks here and there, but as the saying goes, even a broken clock is right twice a day. So listen, I want you to scrub your brain of everything you've heard about affiliate marketing, because if you've started dabbling with it and you're not making money, then someone probably fed you bad information. That's not your fault, but we need to get rid of the misinformation. I kind of wish I had one of those men in black doohickeys that would just erase the bad affiliate marketing info that's lurking in your brain. Unfortunately, I don't have one, so I need to ask you to watch this video with an open mind, okay? The first thing I want you to know is that an affiliate marketer wears a whole lot of hats. I'm not talking about fedoras, cowboy hats, or those silly crocheted beer can hats. I'm talking about business hats, okay? Let me explain. First off, you're a marketer. That means you'll quickly become adept at social media marketing, joint ventures, search engine optimization, media buys, guest blogging, and all sorts of other ways to drive targeted traffic. You'll also wear a filtering hat. This means you sort through potential affiliate products to find the best solutions for your audience. You're also going to wear a bit of a mind-reading hat, okay? You won't actually be mind-reading, but you will do some market research to get inside of your prospects' heads. Once you do this, then you can pick products they're anxious to buy and write sales copy that gets them pulling out their wallets. Speaking of sales copy, you're also going to need to don your writing hat, and that's because you'll be writing sales copy, newsletters, blog posts, and other types of contents. Sometimes you're just going to wear a bit of a tech hat. Sure, you can outsource your tech jobs like maintaining your website, but a lot of affiliates prefer to just learn how to do it themselves. And really, with tools like WordPress, it's not that hard. The next hat that you wear is one as a relationship expert. And that brings us to the next important point that you need to know. A lot of affiliate marketers think the key to making sales is to add value to an offer, meaning you offer a special bonus to those who buy through your affiliate link. And sure, that is part of a good strategy. But here's the number one secret that super affiliates know, which gets people lining up around the block to buy from them. People buy from those they know, like, and trust. If you think about your own purchases for just a second, you'll know it's true. If you've spent a little more money for a product because you preferred to buy from someone you know, like, and trust, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Maybe you bought the name brand headache medicine because you don't trust the generic. Same ingredients, same effect, and even though the name brand cost a little bit more, you still bought it. I've bought a lot of audio equipment and musical instruments over the years because that's just something I'm into. And you know what? There's one company that I buy most of my stuff from that really their prices aren't the best. I pay a little bit more buying from them, and that's because I like to do business with them. Their service is great, they're nice people, I know I can trust their recommendations, and whenever someone buys from them, they always send a little bit of candy in the box when they ship it. I know it's just a silly little thing, but I like it, and I'll pay a little bit more because of it. The same thing goes for shoes, clothing, food, laundry detergent, cars, smartphones, books, or anything else you're going to buy. I'm sure there are plenty of times you've spent a little bit more because you wanted to buy from a company or individual that you knew, liked, and trusted. And listen, your prospects are the same way. They don't necessarily buy something from you because you dangle an enticing bonus in their face. They buy because they know, like, and trust you. You've engaged them, and you've built a relationship with them. So now you see why we need to wear a relationship hat. While it's possible to approach cold prospects and sell a few of your who's what's it's here and there, you're going to do much better if you build a list, engage that list, build a relationship with the subscribers, and then promote solutions that you know will really help these folks. And that brings us to the final point. What sort of niche should you be targeting? Here's a key. Find a niche of rabid buyers who are likely to buy several products from you. Find people who are super passionate about some topic or hobby. Take the example of bodybuilders. Serious bodybuilders buy a ton of stuff. They purchase books and instructional videos on how to do their sport and how to compete. They purchase bodybuilding supplements. They buy all sorts of weights, benches, and machines. They buy lifting gloves, lifting hooks and back supports. They buy heating pads to soothe sore muscles, and they buy a ton of healthy food. I could go on and on. The point is, the serious bodybuilders are a wildly rabid market who buy a lot of information, and they purchase a wide range of expensive products, mid-range products, and consumable products. Here's another example of a burgeoning market. The vaping or e-cigarette market. Vaping isn't something people just do. It practically becomes a lifestyle for the rabid folks. So they purchase multiple devices, dozens of e-cigarette liquids, t-shirts, spare parts, and guides. And then these vapors also go to meetups, conferences, and expos. They're a rabid audience because they're engaged. They have money, and they're snapping up every new thing that hits the market. So you see what I'm saying? This is the sort of market you want to go after. So take a few minutes and think about what sorts of rabid, passionate markets are all around you, because one of them could be your ticket to affiliate success. All right, next we're going to look at how to uncover the very hottest markets around, and I'll see you there in the next video.